Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to add your PayPal email address to the Rumble app on your Android phone. This helps you receive payments directly to your PayPal account when using Rumble. Let's get started. First, open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. After that, select Edit Profile. Scroll down until you find the field to enter your PayPal email address. Enter your PayPal email carefully and then tap Save. Rumble will send you a confirmation email shortly. Now, open your email inbox and find the message from Rumble. Click on the confirmation link inside the email. Then choose Browser. This will open your browser automatically. Finally, tap on Confirm to verify your PayPal email address with Rumble. That's it. You've successfully added your PayPal email to the Rumble app. This makes receiving payments easier and more secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.